Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily edit your template. Once you've made the purchase from Corjl, you'll receive an email and log in, and you can see here your designs on the side. For this example, I'm going to use a second design. We can see here on the side margin, there's a photo folder, which gives us access to each photo. And I have a smaller class size than this example, so I'll be deleting the top row of students. And so let's start with this first photo. I'd like to replace it with my own image, and so I'll go to the top and click Replace Image. I'm not using the stock ones that come with the design. I'm adding my own file, which means from my own computer. In my Pictures folder, I previously uploaded my students, and you can see here I can easily grab them and upload them. So we click Replace Image. You can see now that Alex is here in the hexagon. I can also change the image location by using the arrow keys on my keyboard. I'd like to show you here how we can style the image. There are many options, but we'll be looking specifically at blend mode. We can make it grayscale, but in this case, I'd like to have the original colors of the photo. So I'm going to reduce sepia to 0. And you can see here that we've got the original color. And so I'm going to be deleting the next photo and carrying on to replace the image and adding my own photo from my folders on my computer. So I'll continue to do this, and I will also just be conscious of changing the blend mode and bringing the sepia down to 0. So now that I've finished uploading all of the student photos and adjusted the color, I'd like to change the text. Let's make something a little bit more personal. We can add the teacher's name. We can change the shaping of the text box to fit. Move the other things around. We can also adjust the graphics to be wherever we like. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added all of the names, and I'm going to go to the top option panel for text and just reduce the size by a few points so it fits a bit better. I'd like to point out that it's extremely convenient to select multiple items at once and then move them around the page together. If you wanted to make another copy of this with a slight change, there's a great option here at the bottom, duplicate page, which means that we're going to have 2 copies of the same design. So we could keep the original with Mr. Smith and then have a second page here. Let's say you have a second teacher that you'd like to give this to. You can change the name, and then you'll see that we still have one for Mr. Smith and one as well for Miss Baker. Now that we've finished a design, we can go ahead and download this. And you can select JPEG or PDF depending on what you plan on doing with it. If you plan on sending it digitally, JPEG is a great option. Sometimes if you want to print, PDF might be a better quality. And we can have a look now. We've downloaded it to our computer. You can see the 2 files. We've got one here is for Mr. Smith and the other one is Miss Baker. And that's it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.